Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I'm back with another hair video. Today I'm going to be doing ombre box braids on myself. So if any of you are stylists out there, you can relate to this. I do hair and I've done some braids this week and I was very jelly-faced. I wanted my hair done too, so I went on Amazon, ordered some ombre hair, and this is it. I think I ordered only about 8 packs. I'll put the link below. And it's not exactly what I wanted. I wanted darker roots and lighter ends, the 3-tone, but as you can see throughout this video, it's not really giving me what I wanted. I didn't want to send it back because I was too lazy and I wanted my hair done immediately, so I just went ahead and said, hey, it's worth a try. And I started and it turns out I liked it, so stick around to see the results of that. Also, I'll put the link for this hair below in the description box. Alright you guys, so one little tip when it comes to parting your own hair: don't worry or stress yourself too much, because this is already a long process. You want to get the parts neat, but there's no way you can possibly do it the same way you would do someone else's hair. What you can do is get 2 mirrors, one in the front of you, one in the back of you if you're doing the back of your head, and look through the front mirror using to see what's going on the back with the back mirror. It'll make sense if you try it. The other way is to have a friend help you part the back of your hair, and another way is to close your eyes and just feel. Use your senses to just feel the area and to trust that you made that straight part, and then go back with the mirror and check it if you're by yourself. But don't stress too much about the partings as long as it looks presentable. People will be just so amazed that you did it yourself. Also, if you want a detailed tutorial on how to do box braids, I'll put a link above or below or somewhere in this video. And don't forget to braid all the way down to the ends as much as you can, because as you're braiding it may come loose. So when you dip the hair, it doesn't really matter because you braided it long enough. And if it's just a little bit left and you like that look of not being braided all the way down, because you did so much, it won't completely unravel. Alright, 6 hours later, we are all done and dipped. So the hair is no longer stiff after I dipped it, but the ends are not what I prefer. But if you like the natural look, gives you slightly a boho look, then go ahead and get the hair. It didn't tangle a lot, and I would buy it again, but I'll know what I would be getting myself into. The link is below if you like it. And this is the ombre effect. It's not super dark. I don't really see a three-tone. It's in there, but not the dramatic three-tone look that I was going for. But I do like it. So I'm gonna go in and do my edges. I'll be back with another video on how to style your box braids. But for now, thank you for watching, and I will see you later.